Hello students, good morning. It is your history period, chapter 2, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Topic is a turbulent time, the Revolution of 1905. In this topic, we shall study about the Revolution of 1905 in Russia. That period was unpeaceful. Turbulent means unpeaceful, means अशांति का माहौल जहाँ होता है उसको turbulent कहते हैं. It was the unpeaceful time in Russia and the revolution of 1905 was started in Russia. You know that Russia was an autocratic ruled country. Autocratic means where the ruler is supreme and no can ask any question from the rulers about the authority, and there is no any reduction of the power of the ruler. In this way, each and every decision of ruler follow as law without any questioning by the people. इसको हम निरंकुश शासन भी कहते हैं. The year 1904 was a particularly bad one for Russian workers. 1904 was not good for Russian workers because prices of essential goods rose so quickly that real wages declined by 20%. When 4 members of Assembly of Russian Workers were dismissed at the Polito Iron Works. Polito Iron Works was a factory where there 4 members of 4 workers. Those were the members of the Assembly of Russian Workers dismissed by the factory. There was a call of industrial action. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanding a reduction in the working days to 8 hours, an increase in wages, and improvement in working conditions. When there was high increase in the prices of essential goods, when the prices arises very high, very quickly, and real wages decline 20%, at that time 4 workers, those were the member of Polito Iron Works, member of Assembly of Russian Workers, those were working in Polito Iron Works. At that time, the workers union members decide to take industrial action. That is why next few days 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is industrial city of Russia. St. Petersburg went on strike. On strike they demanded about the reduction of working hours to 8 hours and increase in wages, and also they demanded to improve the working conditions. On January 9, 1905, a large but peaceful crowd of workers led by Father Gaipan reached the Winter Palace. It means they went to the ruler of Russia to complain about all these matters. There, a large group, but that group was peaceful, led by Father Gaipan, reached the Winter Palace. Winter Palace means where the king of Russia, Tsar Nicholas II, lived. It was attacked by the police. The large group, which was peaceful, when they reached in the leadership of Father Gaipan near the Winter Palace, the police and security guards attacked on them. Over 100 workers killed and about 300 workers wounded. इस तरह से जब अपनी शिकायत करने के लिए वर्कर्स एक बड़े ग्रुप में फादर गैपन की अगुवाई में वहाँ के किंग जार निकोलस सेकंड के मिलने के लिए, शिकायत करने के लिए उनके पैलेस के पास गए, तो वहाँ पर जो पुलिस थी और सुरक्षाकर्मी थे उनके ऊपर आक्रमण कर दिए। इस तरह से 100 वर्कर्स से ज़्यादा एक्सपायर हो गए और मार दिए गए और 300 से ज़्यादा घायल हो गए। दैट इंसिडेंट नन एज ब्लडी संडे, क्योंकि यह संडे का दिन था इसलिए इस दिन को रसिया के इतिहास में, रसिया के हिस्ट्री में ब्लडी संडे कहा जाता है। started a series of events. यहीं से केवल वही घटना नहीं हुई बल्कि अनेक घटनाएं होना शुरू हो गई। A series of events by workers, students, peasants and other middle class people that none as the revolution of 1905 of Russia. They also demanded a constituent assembly. After the killing of workers at the Winter Palace by the security guards and police, a series of events started with the help of workers, students, peasants and other middle class, and they also demanded a constituent assembly. उन्होंने एक संविधान सभा की मांग की जिससे पार्लियामेंट का गठन किया जाए और जनता की भागीदारी हो उसमें। इस तरह के वहाँ की जनता वहाँ के शासक के खिलाफ होकर के अपनी मांग करी और इस तरह से उन्होंने एक क्रांति शुरू करी उस समय, जिसको हम 1905 की क्रांति कहते हैं, रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ 905 ऑफ रशिया। ड्यूरिंग द रेवोल्यूशन the Tsar Nicholas allowed the creation of Duma. Duma means a parliament of elected representative of the people. You know that the revolutionaries of 1905 demanded constituent assembly. That is why the ruler of Russia, Tsar Nicholas II, allowed the creation of Duma. Duma is the parliament of Russia. At that time, a parliament of elected representative of the people. Creation during the revolution of the Tsar Nicholas II, the Tsar Nicholas II allowed the creation of Duma, and freedom of speech, expression and formation of organizations was granted to common masses. At the time of the demand of the revolutionaries Constituent Assembly, Tsar Nicholas II allowed Duma. Through this, he has granted right of speech, expression and formation of organization by the common people, common masses. The Tsar dismissed first Duma within 75 days and re-elected second Duma within 3 months. Tsar Nicholas II ने फर्स्ट डूमा को केवल 75 डेज में ही समाप्त कर दिया और सेकेंड डूमा का गठन किया 3 मंथ के अंदर। He did not want any questioning of his authority or any reduction of his powers. He allowed Duma, but he was not wanted to any question about his authority or any reduction of his power. King Tsar Nicholas डूमा के गठन के लिए तो परमिशन दे दिया। 75 डेज के अंदर पहली डूमा को समाप्त करके दूसरे डूमा का गठन किया, लेकिन वह चाहते थे कि किसी तरह का मेरे अधिकारों पर क्वेश्चन न उठाया जाए और मेरे अधिकार जो है उसको कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए, यानी किसी तरह के उनके शक्ति और पावर में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए। He changed the voting laws and fight the third Duma with conservative politicians. At the time of the formation of third Duma, he only allowed to conservative for the third Duma. In this way, with the help of conservative politicians in the Russian parliament, changed the voting laws. थर्ड डूमा में केवल कंजर्वेटिव पॉलिटिशियंस को जगह मिली और रिबल्स, रिवोल्यूशनरीज और रेडिकल जो थे उनको उसके बाहर कर दिया गया और ऐसे ऐसे समय में कंजर्वेटिव का हेल्प लेकर के निकोलस ने वोटिंग राइट को भी चेंज कर दिया। इस तरह से फिर निकोलस सेकंड का विरोध लिबरल्स, revolutionaries, radicals and other people also started. In this way, the revolution of 1905, in this way the revolution of 1905 of Russia addressed rehearsal for the revolution of 1917, which was led by Bolshevik party, and the leader of Bolshevik party at that time was Lenin. In this way, your class is over. Okay, thank you.